In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do subtitles in Davinci Resolve. First, go to the Edit page. You can find this option at the bottom of the interface. It is essential to start on the Edit page because this is where most of your editing will take place. You will see your video clips on the timeline, ready for adjustments. This is a crucial step as you cannot add subtitles without first navigating to the correct workspace. Once you are on the Edit page, you will feel more in control of your project. Next, open the Effects library, located at the top left corner of the screen. This library contains a wide range of effects and tools that you can use to enhance your video. By clicking on it, you will reveal a panel filled with various categories, including titles, transitions, and effects. This step is important because the Effects library is where you will find the tools needed for adding subtitles. Once the library is open, you will gain access to the subtitle features that will make your video more engaging. From there, go to Toolbox and then select Titles. This will narrow down the options to only the title effects available in Davinci Resolve. Titles include everything from simple text overlays to more complex animations. This selection is vital as it allows you to focus specifically on the text elements you need for your subtitles. You will see various subtitle options in this section, which will allow you to create a professional-looking video. Now drag the subtitle onto the timeline, placing it above your video. This action is straightforward but critical. By positioning the subtitle track above your video, you ensure that the text will appear over your visuals, making it easy for viewers to read. You will notice that a new track is created on the timeline. This is a good indication that you are ready to begin customizing your subtitles, and it keeps your project organized. After that, click the subtitle track you just added. This step allows you to select the specific subtitle you want to edit. You will see that the track becomes highlighted, indicating that it is active. Clicking the track is essential as it enables you to modify the content and style of the subtitle text. It provides a clear pathway for the next steps in ensuring your subtitles look just right for your audience. At this point, open the inspector. You can find this option in the top right corner of the screen. The inspector gives you detailed controls over the subtitle you are working on. This is important because it provides you with various options to adjust the appearance and timing of your text. Once the inspector is open, you will have the tools necessary to customize your subtitles effectively. Next, type your subtitle text. This is the moment when your script or dialogue comes to life on screen. You can enter your desired text directly into the designated field in the inspector. This step is crucial because it ensures that your audience can follow along with the spoken words. After typing in your subtitles, you will see them appear in the viewer, confirming that you are on the right track. Now adjust the font, size, color, and position of your subtitles. These adjustments are vital for ensuring your text is readable and visually appealing. You can choose a font that matches your video's tone, change the size for better visibility, and select a color that contrasts well with your background. Positioning the text properly will help it stand out, ensuring viewers do not miss any crucial information. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as it enhances the overall quality of your video. Finally, repeat the process for each subtitle line. This means going back to add new subtitles for different parts of your video. Each time you complete a subtitle, make sure to click on the track, open the inspector, and follow the same steps to add the next line. This repetition is necessary for creating a cohesive viewing experience. Once you finish, you will have a fully subtitled video, making it accessible to a broader audience. With that done, you can preview your work, ensuring everything flows seamlessly. Congratulations, you have successfully added subtitles in Davinci Resolve.